Hey guys, good day. We are unboxing the Boso 4550 Ultimate Wheels. Wow, it's quite light. Okay guys, quick review. I checked the quality of these wheels. The appearance is beautiful, and then the durability and the integrity. If you can see inside on the tube, this area, sorry, this eyelet area, look at the bulb, more than 5 mm thickness. Wow, this is very strong wheels. Press it here. You cannot able to press it. It means this wheels is very strong. See. Shit, I like the reinforcement of these wheels. Very strong. Nice tension. The spokes, they have a nice tension. Of course, the prehab body, hubs, Ultimate Plus. Wow, I like it. I think it's good value for money to invest these wheels. Okay. Differ hookless. Differ hook. So if titignan mo siya, if you checking on it on the internal, so quite differ siya compared sa other brand, no? Wow, interesting. Let's check what is the weight. We go rear front one, 5 both. Oh, sorry. Okay. Wow, 1.3, 1,300 grams. Good value for money. And durability, 100%. Look at it. Very strong side one. This is beautiful wheels. Good. I think this is a good performance wheels. You can hear the sound. It's different. All right. Shout out Boso.